and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I think Steve is very excited to be introduced yet again today. He is going to be hanging out here with us today as we go through some items from the FabFitFun editor sale. Today's video is sponsored by FabFitFun, and if you guys do not know, my glasses are dirty. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that offers full-size beauty, lifestyle, wellness, and fashion items. Each of the 4 boxes is $49.99, but if you want to use my code FFFEDIT, you can save $10 off your first box. Each of the boxes come with a $200 value at least, but also if you guys become a member, you're gonna have access to a lot of like add-ons and sales. Like right now, FabFitFun has just opened up their summer edit sale, so you can get a lot of items on a really great discount. And if you're already a member, you can upgrade to an annual subscription so you can get early access to these sales, which is kind of cool because these items tend to sell out very fast because they are on such a great discount. So today we're just going to do a preview of some of the items that are going to be available for the summer edit sale that FabFitFun is just not opening up. And you guys, we have, oh dear, I can't pick it up. We have, oh my gosh, my noodle arms. We have another giant Santa bag full of products here, so you all know what that means. We're going to be doing another giveaway because I don't think I need this entire giant Santa bag full of stuff. Oh, my shoulder. What's in there, Steven? You're hoping it's food, isn't it? Just a giant bag of food. Apparently I can't untie knots. So the first thing I'm going to pull out of here is something that intrigued me immediately as soon as I saw this bag. It's a giraffe ring toss. That's so random, but also incredibly adorable. So this is a ring toss set, and the little things that you toss the rings onto look like giraffes. Okay, in my head, I was picturing like little tiny guys like this, little giraffes with some like little rings. I think these are blow-up giraffes. A million times more excited. That's so cute. You like that, Steve? You like the giraffe? Oh. All right, let's keep it PG around here. Oh, there's lipstick all over it. This is what it looks like after you blow it up, and that's just too daggone cute. So this would definitely make like a cute little lawn game for the kids during summertime, or the adults who are highly entertained by blow-up giraffes. Next up, we have another item that is something different. What is this? Oh, it's soft. Oh, okay. Pretty. So we have like a little, doodad here. What would this be called? A cape? A shawl? A kimono? I'm not 100% sure, but it's in this like nice light nude color. It's incredibly lightweight. Super lightweight. I feel like this would be very cool in the summer. You could wear it with like jeans or shorts or something like that, or maybe as like a bathing suit cover up. Fascinating. So the next thing we have here is from More Labs, and these are morning recovery drinks. And apparently this is supposed to make you feel better after you spend all day or all night on the lawn playing with blow-up giraffes. And you might consume a couple adult beverages in the process. Oh, they're actually really adorable. This is a dietary supplement in the lemon flavor. There are 3.4 fluid ounces in here, 5 calories, 13 grams of carbs, 9 grams of sugar. So I guess these are just supposed to help you feel better in the morning if you indulge. Next up here we have something from, I'm not 100% sure of this brand name, how you're supposed to say it. It's like 111 Skin, 3 Skin. I don't know. But these are Sub-Zero Depuffing eye masks. So they're little tiny eye masks for underneath your eyes. And I'm assuming they're going to be very cooling because of the Sub-Zero name. So this is something that I think I'm going to be including in the giveaway if you guys like to win this. Okay, so next up here we have something from Fake Bake. This is a flawless darker self-tan liquid auto. Oh, that's just a different language. What is it, baby? It's supposed to be streak-free with an easy application. I have been experimenting a little bit with self-tanning. Has it been going fantastically? Not really. There's just a full line of just orange and white right here on my arm. Not sure if you guys can see that, but I do feel a little bit more confident when I have just kind of a sun-kissed look on my skin and I'm not so pale in the summer. And apparently this has an application mitt and glove included, so that is nice. I feel like I've heard of Fake Bake before, so I will give this a try and see if I like it better than the other self-tanners I've been using because we've had mixed results. All right, next up here we have a little box on the front. It says Luxie Link, the ultimate handbag accessory. Oh, okay, so this is just one of those little things where you can lay it on like a table and then hang your handbag off of it, so that way your handbag doesn't touch the floor at like restaurants and stuff. My poor old purse typically just gets chucked on the ground wherever I happen to sit, but this is nice if you want to keep your handbags from getting dirty, especially if they're like a lighter color. So this is something that's cute, and I'll probably also include this in the giveaway. Next up in the bag here, we have a little pair of bracelets. This is from Etika, and these are Scared us both, didn't it, Steve? These are blue gold stone brass and mirror beaded bracelets. And it is blue. At first I thought it was black, but it's like a super deep blue with like little flecks of shiny stuff in it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this on camera, but it almost kind of looks like, I don't know, like a galaxy or a night sky or something. It's a really deep blue with like little flecks of glitter. Oh, and it is kind of like nighttime themed. There's like a half moon and like a little starburst on it. This is really cute. It also feels very nice and heavy. And if you look really closely, there's a tiny little mirror in it. You could check to see if there's anything in your teeth. So this is super cute. I think I'm going to include this in the giveaway as well. I feel like one of you all would really like this. I'm sorry if you guys can just hear like in the background. Steve's down here just licking air. No idea why. He's just been licking the air pretty much this entire video. And you taste the smell of pizza in the air because that's all I've been eating recently. All right, we are getting kind of close to the bottom of our little Santa bag here. There is one gigantic box involved in this bag. I'll probably save that for last. All right, next up here we have something from Vega Lash. This is a volumizing mascara and it promises thicker, fuller, faster lashes. That's quite a thick, chunky little tube there for just one wand of mascara. Oh, it says this is either in the shade brunette or for brunettes, so let's go ahead and see what color this is. You guys, I honestly don't know what color my hair is. I'm very confused by it. Today I was looking at it and it looks like I'm literally going gray all over my head, but then when you really look close, it almost looks like blonde hair. And I haven't been naturally blonde since I was like a small nugget. So here is the outer packaging. It's just kind of like a pale pink metallic tube. A very interesting one, and I can tell that it is like a brownish color. It almost has like a bit of red undertone to it. Ow, it's very scratchy. Just so you guys can see the color a bit better, it is like a deep chocolate brown. It almost looks like a Hershey Kiss melted on the back of my hand. But it does look like it would have a pretty nice pigment, so this is cool. I like putting brown sometimes on my lower lashes. I think it looks nice. Not as heavy as black. Okay, so next up here we have something called belly balm. That sounds very different. So this is a rose hip seed oil with cocoa butter. I'm gonna assume this is probably for like pregnant ladies to nicely moisturize your belly as it is growing. I doubt I'll be needing this literally anytime soon, but it might just be a nice balm just because. It smells really nice. It kind of has like an herbally aromatherapy scent to it. And the directions just say apply to affected area. This seems like it would be really nice for hydrating dry skin, so this is something else I'll probably include in the giveaway. Okay, so next up here we have something from Kate Somerville, and I think I've actually tried this before. This is a retinol firming eye cream, and Kate Somerville is a pretty nice brand, and retinol is nice as well. It can make your skin a little bit sensitive, so just be like careful when you use it. But because I already do own this product, I will be including it in the giveaway as well. All right, next up here, it looks like we got some serums, and I do love serums. They make me feel fancy. The first thing we have here is something I've never heard of before. This is from Ultraviolet, and it says it's a, what did it say? It's a Formula 28 Perfector, a multi-correcting accelerator. That's different. It says see dramatic improvement in most skin problems within days. This sounds like a mystery to me. It sounds really cool. Very excited to try this out. I got a lot of stuff that needs to be corrected. We got some random red cheek, we got some breakouts, some discoloration, some like pitting from where I've scratched acne. So yeah, I'm gonna slap this on and see what happens. Then next up we have another little serum here. This is Gia by Neon & Co. This is Elementary, dear Watson. Elementary Beauty Vitamin Serum A. This is supposed to have hyaluronic acid, vitamin A, papaya extract, vitamin C, all sorts of fun, good stuff. And it's a serum, which makes it, again, fancy. But this I'm gonna let one of you guys try out in the giveaway because, like I said, I already have a million serums that I just slap all on my face all at one time. So I'd like somebody else to have the opportunity to test that out. All right, Steve, we're almost done. We only have one thing left here in the giant Santa bag. Oh, there's actually something else. I didn't even see these. Oh, these are actually really adorable. So we have a cute little tiny pair of earrings. They're like gold with little tiny gems in them. I don't know if my meaty earlobes can actually fit into these. Unfortunately, I might have to go ahead and pass these along to somebody else. I would include them in the giveaway, but I already tried to like shove them into my ear holes. I got my grandpa's earlobes, and unfortunately these will just not fit through, but they are super cute. I think my mom would actually really like these, so I'm gonna see if she would like them. Finally, last but not least, I'm very interested in seeing what this is. This is from Aria Beauty, and it says hashtag hair goals. It is a hot styling brush, which is something I can honestly say I've never used. What is that, Steve? Steve's got to give it a lick just to see if it might be edible. This thing seems really cool though. So we have kind of like little spiky bristles, and there's holes going all the way through. There's kind of a wider tooth comb over here. Let me see if I can plug this in really fast just so we can get an idea of what it's supposed to do. Oh, never mind. There's a pile of stuff behind me blocking the plug. So I'm just gonna assume, well, I guess I could read the instructions. That'll probably be helpful. Okay, so it says no blow dryer needed. Lightweight, easy grip brush with a 1.5-inch ceramic barrel. So I guess this acts as like a blow dryer and a brush, which does sound pretty fancy. Definitely gonna give this a try. My hair is just flatter than a fritter. It sticks straight to my head basically, so maybe this will help give me like a little bit more volume on the top. This might be something that I would have included in the giveaway, but Steve did lick it, so just in case. Alright you guys, so that was a little preview of some of the items that are going to be available for the summer edit sale. Hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at some of those items, and I hope that you might enjoy this little giveaway that we have going here. So these items right here will be available. Stop falling. These items right here will be available for the giveaway. And all you have to do to be entered into the giveaway is be subscribed to this channel, go down to the comments, leave me a comment saying what your favorite item of the add-on sale was, and then just let me know that you would like to be entered and leave some type of way for me to contact you. So like an Instagram, actually not Twitter. I almost said Twitter, but apparently my Twitter is deactivated or something because there was unusual activity on it. It's probably because I literally never used Twitter and they were confused why not. So yeah, my Twitter's like on lockdown right now. But an email, just some way that I can contact you, and the giveaway winner will be picked 2 weeks from today, and that'll be that. Oh, also make sure you're 18 years of age or older or have parent or guardian permission so I can get your address from you. And then that'll be it. So yeah, that's everything that I have you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you guys want to save $10 off your first FabFitFun box, you can use the code right here on the screen and down below in the description. Just thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Me and Steve love you guys, and yeah, we just hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see y'all next time.